So look at guys, our activity today, welding overhead. The same wind girder. Our welder representative, Mr. Omes from Enja. Omes, head high. Good. Aywa, very good, huh? Okay, start guys. Look at. So look at guys, this is a wind girder. Look at upside. Okay. So look at guys, so I'm sharing the amperage applied. So amperage applied 100, exactly 100. 3 mm electrode, stainless, for stainless, sulfy 316 L-16. So look at the result guys. So look at the result. That is the result on this one, routing. Okay. Okay. Backside. Good. So this side, our amperage applied 105. So only little bit, only 5 point up. So the amperage applied guys is depend on your hand. So look at this is 105 applied amperage. So other side 100, exactly 100. So this side he can apply the 105 amperage. So look at. Okay. By Ranjit, number 1. 20 years experience, SS and CS. He came from Russia. Before, then Europe. Then come here. Look. So very nice result. Okay guys, look at guys. This is the result. Okay. So if you observe, so we put this support for distortion, so we can prevent the distortion. So look at this is a support for the prevent distortion. So sa mga ano yan guys, mga Pilipino na mga beginners, so ganito yung makikita nyo. Ganito yung makikita nyo sa dito sa ibang bansa pag kayo ay mag-apply na ng ano, abroad. Kung kayo yung mga welder, sa mga beginners lang to. Sa mga veterano dyan, shout out sa inyo lahat. Alam nyo naman ang mga proseso. So, comment lamang kayo dyan and share. Don't forget to like and subscribe and support our channel, The Welders. Kamlis. His name Kamlis. Also 20 years experience from Russia before, Uzbekistan, then come to Saudi Arabia, then come back again to Poland. 20 years experience, SS and CS, professional welder certified, and also Aramco certified. Kamlis, the same 100, exactly 100 power? Yeah. Yeah. Also 100 power this side. So the average applied guys has depend on your hand.
Yeah, too much.
Too much is no good because this is SS. So you are using the electrode, the Sulpi 316 3mm. So that is for your information. If you welding stainless steel using this kind of electrode.